Hi, auto aficionados. Prepare for an exhilarating investigation as we analyze the radiance that is the 2024 Audi SQ8. On the off chance that you're as charmed by the collaboration of force and tastefulness as we are, guarantee you're bought in, and we should set out on this car odyssey together. Today, we're not simply starting to expose what's underneath. We're stripping back each layer of brightness that characterizes the SQ8 motor performance. The heartbeat of the 2024 SQ8 is a lovely 4.0-liter V8 motor, a wonder of designing that conveys power, yet a whole car experience, creating a stunning 500 pull and an earth-shaking 568 lb-ft of force. This force to be reckoned with is a demonstration of Audi's obligation to pushing limits. The 32-valve DOHC framework, combined with Audi's progressive valve lift innovation and variable valve timing, coordinates an ensemble of force and accuracy. It's not only a motor, it's a work of art, moving, sending off the SQ8 from 0 to 60 mph in a simple 4.0-second transmission and drivetrain. Guaranteeing a consistent dance among power and execution is the 8-speed Tiptronic R program transmission. Each stuff change is an arranged development, conveying power exactly when required. The Quattro-R all-wheel drive framework, a foundation of Audi's designing ability, guarantees ideal footing on any surface. For the people who look for an additional layer of control, the accessible game-back differential takes the SQ8's exhibition to a higher level, permitting you to fit your driving experience flawlessly. Execution features. The SQ8 isn't satisfied with simply being a force to be reckoned with. With a maximum velocity of 155 mph, it's an assertion of execution greatness. However, it doesn't stop there. The towing limit of up to 7,700 lalazabis exhibits the SQ8's down-to-earth side, changing it into a flexible ally for both vivacious drives and ordinary utility. Audi has made a vehicle as well as a driving buddy that succeeds in each feature of execution and usefulness. Controlling and suspension. In the driver's seat, the SQ8 is an orchestra of accuracy and spryness. The all-wheel controlling and electromechanical moderate guiding framework answer your smallest touch, making an interpretation of your orders into a smooth dance out and about. The 5-Connect free game versatile air suspension on both the front and back is something other than an element. It's an innovative expressive dance, giving an agreeable harmony amongst solace and responsiveness. Also, for the individuals who request the zenith of dealing with, the accessible dynamic roll adjustment changes each corner into a cunning move, brakes and exterior. Carrying this exhibition magnum opus to a smooth stop are vigorous brakes highlighting 6-cylinder front and single-cylinder back calipers. The outside plan isn't just about blowing some people's minds, it's a marriage of structure and capability. With a drag coefficient of 0.37, the SQ8 looks exquisite as well as cuts through the air with proficiency, adding to its by and large streamlined ability. This isn't simply a vehicle, it's a moving figure, a demonstration of Audi's obligation to plan greatness. Inside and technology. Step inside, and the SQ8 encompasses you in a safe haven of extravagance and innovation. Faultless craftsmanship meets state-of-the-art plan, with premium materials making an inside that is a space as well as an encounter. The Audi Virtual Cockpit invites you with an adjustable computerized show, permitting you to fit data to your inclinations. The infotainment framework is something beyond a control center. It's a gateway to the future, highlighting the most recent network choices and a top-notch sound framework that changes each excursion into an ensemble for the faculties. Conclusion. All in all, the 2024 Audi SQ8 rises above the domain of simple transportation. It's not only a vehicle, it's an auto showstopper that flawlessly incorporates power, extravagance, and state-of-the-art innovation. On the off chance that you tracked down this investigation as enamouring as we showed, some adoration with approval, share your contemplations in the remarks, and ensure you're bought in for additional thrilling auto experiences. Until sometime later, drive safe, remain energetic about vehicles, and embrace the charm of the street.